free ways that you can increase the revenue of your business. And this is true for 2023, 2024, whatever. These are really basic rules. So 3 ways, I'm going to walk you through them, okay? I essentially call this the MR method. Number 1 is that you want to get more customers and clients. And most businesses, they are not focused on that. And it's probably also why you're not yet hit the $1 million in revenue mark a year and upwards, because once you did that, and that's kind of a benchmark, then you have figured out sort of your lead generation. You know who you're selling to, and you can do this on repeat, right? If you're not there yet, then you probably have to focus in terms of getting more customers and clients and automate that lead generation process, right? So you want to have something where you can build up your email list. You want to have a content marketing strategy where people find you and your business and your brand. You want eyeballs out there. You want to be visible and become visible out there for different means. If it's like a podcast, a blog, organic marketing, or ads, whatever it is, you have to figure that out. So that's like one of the ways you can essentially increase your revenue online. The second way that you can increase revenue online is that you want to raise your prices. Most businesses are scared to raise their prices, especially when it comes to looking at the state of the world or the economy. But I really, really want to urge you to kind of like step away from that. Also, do not consume the news so much. Don't look on social media. Put a little bit of blinders on, right? Especially when you're getting into your head as a CEO about that. Because the fact of the matter is, there is a lot of money around. Like, that's a belief I have as well. Like, money is infinite. There's always more money that can be created, more value that can be created and added. And like, for instance, I just show you this picture from like a Louis Vuitton store and how people are lining up to purchase something for like Christmas, which kind of shows you there is a ton of money around. You just need to kind of know and put yourself in the right position to kind of create the value so that the people that have the money are essentially like spending it on you, spending it on your business. Another thing, of course, that is important is that you do want to raise your prices. That's the easiest way to increase your revenue. Even if you're sending out an email, hey, we've hit 2023 right now to your clients right now, to your coaching clients. And as such, you know, if you want to enroll in our services for like this year, if you want to enroll for renew your retainer, whatever it is, then it's going to be, for instance, more $250, $500, $1,000 more per month because we've hit these and these KPIs last year, right? These are just ways you can increase your prices. You can make a sale one more time from your online programs and then really kind of like say, hey, because we're doing this sale, and just to give you a heads up, because we're going to increase our prices because our students have gotten these results and so on. So this is the easiest way to kind of like influx your business with some revenue and some cash flow. The third one is that you want to essentially repeat sell to your existing clients and customers. So what that means is you want to really lower the turnover that you have from having to find new clients and customers. Yes, obviously that's important. You have to have this figured out. The first part of this formula, essentially as well, you want to make sure that you have progress, you have like an ascension ladder almost that is aligned with the transformation that your ideal customers and clients are walking through. So you really want to make sure to be able to sell to them again. Or let's say you have like a service retainer or coaching client retainer and you have a contract for a year. You want to, of course, make sure to kind of deliver the best that you can in terms of your service, customer happiness, increase it, all this kind of stuff, and client happiness, so that they will buy from you again, right? If you have a physical product, obviously that's something very important. Repeat clients and customers means that you have a very secure monthly revenues income stream that is coming in for you, right? If you have online programs or courses, you can always do payment plans, but it's just really important to kind of understand that you want to have something where people or clients and customers want to come back to your business for. You want to fulfill all of their needs. You're starting with one need and then you keep adding on to it so that they are just like thinking of you as the go-to person in your niche and in your industry, right? So it's a little bit with like knowing how to read your client's mind and kind of pre-knowing what they need before they even know that they need it themselves, because you know how the transformation process looks further and further up sort of the value ladder. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe if it was, share it, spread the love, like it, and then I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.